Hi Gemini, welcome to my channel Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 21st of March. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly see what this week had in store for you. Okay. Now what I see for you is you have the Page of Cups, the Five of Wands, and the Nine of Swords. Your person has the Strength card, the Seven of Pentacles, and the Queen of Cups. Bottom of the deck I have the Two of Cups, so there was definitely love here. Okay, both of you felt a strong connection to each other, but maybe there was some situation that happened recently where both of you, or at least one person in this relationship, is quite stressed out. Now what I see from your spread here, Gemini, is you have the Page of Cups. With the Page of Cups, you definitely want to go ahead and start a new love offer, or at least start fresh with the same person. Okay, it could be either of these situations, and you want to offer your cup of love to them. You want to take small steps, but while you want to offer this cup of love, I also see you have the Five of Wands. So there could be some competition, some distraction that I see in this particular relationship, which is causing you a lot of sleepless nights with this Nine of Swords. Okay, so maybe there are people around you or your person who are against this relationship, or they are trying to interfere in this relationship in that it's impacting the relationship. That's the way that they are interfering between the two of you. Now what I see for your person is they have the Strength card. With the Strength card being there, this person is having a lot of strength and courage in dealing with this particular situation. They are trying their level best to ensure that they go ahead and stay positive, while because this person understands that it will take a lot of patience with this Seven of Pentacles. Yes, they have a lot of patience, and they want to just take some time and to understand what happened in this particular relationship, or how to go about with the things right now, and they want to make sure that it moves to the direction that they want this relationship to work, because this person has a lot of love. Okay, with the Queen of Cups here, this person has enormous love for you. They want to go ahead and offer that cup of love to you as well, express their love and emotions. But the only situation is, maybe there is something, some people around both of you, or could be one of you, okay, that's causing a little bit of a nuisance in this relationship. And if that can be avoided, I'm pretty sure that both of you will have a very sweet relationship. Okay, now let's take one card to understand what is the intention of this person for you this week. Let's quickly take one card. The intention of this person is the World card. So if there was something that they were dealing with, they want to go ahead and close that and start a new cycle with you. Let's take one more card here. Alright, I see the Three of Wands. With that, this person will get stuck at one point in time while they will try to go ahead and come out of this situation, but eventually they'll come out. Okay, let's take one more card. Yeah, that's the Tower card. Now that's a positive card. Okay, it means that whatever has been built on faulty grounds, it will come crumbling down. Now let's take one card here, which is the intention from this person, and we'll also go ahead and take one card, which is the message from Archangels. Now the one card here I see is the King of Pentacles. So this person has a lot of love for you, however they are very bad at expressing it. Okay, now let's take one card, which is the message from Archangels for you. So the crystal that I see for you is the Danburite. The crystal message is, are you focused on romance right now? Decide to create happiness and harmony, and see an increase in loyal and caring friends in your life. Decide to accept love in your life. Allow the development of a new romantic relationship, or the rekindling of an existing one. The message from Archangel Chamuel I'll put in the description box. You can read it from there. Now that's all I have for you for this particular week. If you like the content of the video, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until next time, please stay safe and love yourself first.